This short guide explains how to buy shares of Oil States International Inc., ticker OIS. Oil States supplies equipment and services to the oil and gas industry, and its shares trade on the NASDAQ. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker OIS to locate the company listing. Confirm you select Oil States International Inc. on the NASDAQ to avoid similar names. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Make sure the page shows Oil States International Inc. and the OIS ticker before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the details, and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio view once the order executes. A link is in the description if you want to visit the platform and follow these steps.